Bypass Publishing presents Psychology in the Fast Lane, Difficult Topics Explained. Theoretical Approaches to Psychological Disorders. There are four generally accepted approaches to understanding psychological disorders: the biological approach, the psychological approach, the sociocultural approach, and the interactionist or biopsychosocial approach. The biological approach attributes psychological disorders to internal causes that are considered to be organic, such as brain injury, disease, or genetics. This approach would consider the cause of mental disorders to be a result of abnormalities in brain structure, imbalance in neurotransmitters or hormones, or genetic in nature. The psychological approach to understanding mental disorders uses all perspectives of psychology as the foundation for understanding the factors associated with psychological disorders. This approach would consider mental disorders to be a result of unconscious conflict, as in the psychodynamic perspective, the rewards and punishments an individual received, as in the behavioral and social cognitive perspective, or personal qualities and potential, and as in the humanistic perspective. The sociocultural approach attributes mental disorders to a larger social context, such as an effective functioning of the family, neighborhood dynamics, economic stress, ethnic impact, gender, and cultural values. Instead of focusing on the internal malfunctioning of an individual, this approach focuses on the larger environment involved in a person's life. This framework often overlaps with approaches seen in anthropology and sociology. The interactionist or biopsychosocial approach sees abnormal behavior as a combination of factors that may include the brain, genetics, cognition, self-esteem, family, and/or poverty. This approach may involve more than two frameworks already mentioned mixed with other frameworks coming from other perspectives and approaches. To locate more detail on any of these approaches, simply type the approach name into a web-based search engine such as Google, and you can find out just about as much information as you'd ever want.